Human activities, from pollution to overpopulation, are driving up the Earth's temperature and fundamentally changing the world around us. The main cause is a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect. Gases in the atmosphere, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons, let the sun's light in, but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels, have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The rapid increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has warmed the planet at an alarming rate. While Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past, atmospheric carbon dioxide hasn't reached today's levels in hundreds of thousands of years. Climate change has consequences for our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and our health. Ice sheets, such as Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. The extra water that was once held in glaciers causes sea levels to rise and spills out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This means not only more intense major storms, floods, and heavy snowfall, but also longer and more frequent droughts. These changes in weather pose challenges. Growing crops becomes more difficult. The areas where plants and animals can live shift, and water supplies are diminished. In addition to creating new agricultural challenges, climate change can directly affect people's physical health. In urban areas, the warmer atmosphere creates an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. This is because smog contains ozone particles, which increase rapidly at higher temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. While the rapid rate of climate change is caused by humans, humans are also the ones who can combat it. If we work to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind, which don't produce greenhouse gas emissions, we might still be able to prevent some of the worst effects of climate change.
Number 1.
The first environmental problem that we want to talk about is our carbon footprint. What is our carbon footprint? Jenny?
This is our CO2 emissions. It's caused by the use of fossil fuels for transportation. People are driving cars and flying in planes wherever they want to go.
And the effects, Aria? The effect is climate change and extreme weather. What are some solutions, Ashley?
The solution is for people to use public transportation and travel less.
Number 2.
Okay, let's move on to the problem of deforestation. Causes, anyone? Rosa, go ahead.
This is caused by the cutting down of trees.
Thank you, Rosa. William, the effects.
The effects include floods, loss of wildlife, lower soil quality, and so on.
Emily, how about the solution?
The solution is to grow trees and protect forests.
Number 3.
The problem is the water crisis. There is a shortage of clean water. Okay. Monica.
This is caused by overuse of water by factories and farms. The rivers are polluted. And global warming means some parts of the world are becoming drier.
Prabhat, do you want to talk about effects?
Yes. The effects include health problems and water shortages for farming and industry, and actually for everyone.
Clara, what is the solution? The solution is to manage water resources and protect forests.
Number 4.
The next problem is hunting. Cora, your turn.
This is caused by people who go hunting for sport. And some animal products, such as ivory, can be sold in many countries.
That's right. And the effect is the loss of endangered wildlife such as elephants and tigers.
Amber, what about solutions?
I think the solution is laws against hunting and effective enforcement of laws.
Number 5.
Okay. On to the problem of the melting ice cap.
Everyone knows this is caused by global warming.
Right. And the effect is the rising level of the ocean, the loss of polar ice caps, and the loss of wildlife such as polar bears.
Yes, and I believe the solution is all countries should try to reduce carbon emissions.
Thank you, Eric.
Number 6.
The problem is using toxic sprays for agriculture and farming. Brandon.
This is caused by farmers trying to protect plants against pests and disease.
All right, Elizabeth, tell me about the effects.
One effect is the accidental killing of wildlife. Also, toxic sprays and insecticides are dangerous for workers. Not only that, the farms may sell contaminated produce.
Eric, do you have another solution?
The solution is simple. Ban chemical and toxic sprays.
Number 7.
Everyone is familiar with this problem. This problem is plastic waste. Oh good, Liam.
This is caused by the convenience of using plastic bags in shops and supermarkets.
Mitchell, what are the effects of too many plastic bags?
The effect is the killing of sea life and polluting of the oceans.
Leah, give me a solution.
The solution is persuade supermarkets and shops to stop using plastic or legislate to stop them.
Number 8.
The last problem is air pollution in our cities. Brandon, do you live in the city?
Yes, I live downtown, and sometimes I can't breathe. Air pollution is caused by people using cars, buses, and trucks that rely on fossil fuels.
Cora, how do you feel about this problem?
Well, air pollution has a bad effect on our health. Many people in cities have respiratory problems. And, of course, it contributes to global warming.
Okay, Elizabeth, what do you suggest as a solution?
The solution is emissions controls for cars. We need alternative kinds of transportation. We need to start using electric vehicles. And we need to improve public transportation.